This front part of my hair would be 222 plaits, you guys.
Head ass gang. Mama Jones, Papa Jones, they the head ass gang. Gotta like and subscribe, and you gon' watch us, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else, 'cause this who channel we on.
What up, Mama Jones squad? Welcome to my shenanigans, you guys. And today, Mama Jones is putting in her micro locks, sister locks, whatever you want to call them, bell locks. I don't know which one I be doing, but I know I be doing them. I be getting them in there, you know what I'm saying? So it's 2024, so I'm gonna start my year off with these locks. And as y'all know, Mama Jones shaved her head. I'm on like, I want to say February, May, June. What? I'm on almost, let's see, October, November, December, January. No, it can't be. I think I cut my hair. I think I'm like 9 months of growth, y'all. And it haven't been blowed out. I have reached the goal, you guys, because normally I get impatient and permit, but this is natural, and I've reached the goal with my natural, you guys. And these puffs are really thick, but let's get into it, because they give videos and they'll show you, but they really don't show you like, you know, like they be trying to hold back, so they don't want you to do it yourself, because they want that money. They want that $1,800. Yes, they do. But I'm going to show you guys what I do. And this time, this method is like a non-slip method that I'm doing, you guys. So I plaited my hair first. So I'm just going to pull a plait. Check that girl plait out, y'all. Y'all see that? All right, so now I'm going to get my hair. Got my hair, and that's a little too big, so what I'm doing is pull a little piece off of there and put that back on my braid rack, right? So my plaits are so small, I have a bead threader, and what I'm gonna do is take this bead thread, I'm trying to get so y'all can see, and push it underneath my hair. Then I'm going to feed it through here like this. Okay, then I'm going to pull it through. Okay, now I'm going to grab it and I'm going to begin to plait it. So once I plait it up, I'm not going to plait it all the way. What I do is plait like half of the way. I'm going to show you guys. I plait it up half of the way, and here's my hair here. So I'm gonna grab that hair with this section. What I do is twist it to kind of blend it in a little bit. I twist it and then I just begin to wrap. I hold and wrap. If you can do coil kinky braids, you just wrap it like that, you guys. And you wrap it till you get to the end of your hair. If you do have a peep out, if I have a peep out, I'll show you guys what I do. And 9 times out of 10, I'm going to have a peep out. So, yeah. But you can do your own. It just take a little time to get it done. And I just twist it. And these are kind of short, you guys. They're not long as I wanted them. So here's my peep out, as you can see right here. Okay, now that's when we grab this tool here, and I'm going to take this tool and just feed it in to my hair. My peep out is gone. Normally I come back and do this. Okay. Now, Now we're going to get this tool here. Okay, we'll get this little locking tool. Feed your hair through it. Bam. Okay, we're gonna go up, down, up, down, and we'll go back. And you do this as many times as it's needed. But mine are so small, so some of them I've been able to do it the 4 times. If not, I do it 3. So now I got to grab it and feed it through. Let me see. And I'm kind of extra small. I don't know if I'm going to do that back like this. And one more go around. I got it. Bam. There it is. So when I get right here, I'll show y'all a little bit more because maybe you can see more better. So yeah, these the ones I hadn't, I might as well go do them since I got the tool now. So I go up, down, back, oh y'all can't see them, back, and forward. There you go. I did them too. Might as well go and finish them. I'm just so proud of my natural growth. I done beat the record, y'all, without you putting perm in it, because y'all know I get impatient. I'd have been the permed it, wave, nouveau, all kind of good stuff. So, I'm going to try to leave these in. My nerves get bad. So, but I'm going to try to leave them in before they lock up to redo them again. Because I'm really trying to get the length to where I can just do it my own hair. And at the rate it's going to be real soon. So yeah. I'm going to go up, down, back, forward. And you don't want to lock them tight. If they too tight, guys, they are wrong. You don't want to get traction alopecia. So you got to, cannot put them too tight. Uh-oh. Okay, there you go. I need to go ahead and feed this because I hate this part. Like, this part is, they be making it look simple, but it's really not that simple to me. All right, now I'm going on and feed this one down. I'm gonna have to feed that in some more. Cause it's probably a little thicker than what I expected. Yeah, my hair is so I'm gonna take my hair and I'm just gonna feed it through here. Matter of fact, ahead and retwist it. So what I'm doing now is kind of feeding my hair. Don't let up like you doing a coil, because it helps your hair stay in place. So I'm just holding that hair and wrapping it in place, you guys. Ooh, child. Alright, gang. Uh-oh, I just let loose. God doggy. Alright, gang. So I'm gonna wrap it. And as you can see, now it's in place. Just take your time and you can get it done. I'm gonna come back and show y'all when I start here, to show y'all that one, and then I'll come back and show y'all the finished results. Place your hair within the bead thread, and we're gonna pull it through. Pull it through. We're gonna begin to plait. I'm gonna plait it. Now you have 3 parts. This is the part of my hair. So I'm going to take this part and add it here. And I'm going to begin to twist. So you want to twist it a little to get your hair combined into it. Now, see? And you're going to twist. This is the non-slip method. I'll show y'all. And this front part of my hair would be 222 plaits, you guys. And this is my growth. I've been doing it since my hair was like this short, so I'm on like 7 months of growth right now. 7 months of growth, you guys. And you see this little piece right here? We're gonna fix that. So these are micro lock twists that I'm doing. Well, you could say sister locks, but these are, I guess, sister locks, micro lock twists, bell locks, one of these locks. And I do it myself, but I discovered that plaiting my hair first and feeding it through with either a crochet needle or bead threader, that, you know, you get more. It's more quicker. It's more quicker, you guys. So my hair is peeping out right here. So I'm just going to take it and roll it. And if you have the patience to do it yourself, do it. It saves you a lot of money. So yeah, if it take you a couple days, do it. It saves you a lot of money. Bead threader when they're super thin, and you're gonna place the hair within.
Head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang, peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head.